Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to work the drop stitch in knitting. You could make this scarf or shawl, and it works up very quickly because this drop stitch adds a lot of length. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. To do this demo, I'm going to use 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and 15mm knitting needles. Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe. I'm just going to work 10 stitches to show you. So you're going to knit across the row, and in the sample that I showed you, I actually worked 4 rows of knit every row between each row of dropped stitches. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to knit 2 rows so that I can then show you how to work the dropped stitch. So knit every stitch across the row for 2 to 4 rows. Okay, I've gone ahead and knitted 2 rows. And now I'm going to bring the yarn between my 2 needles and then back over to the other side, and I'm just going to go ahead and knit as though it was a normal knit stitch. So again, bring the yarn between the 2 needles and then back over to the other side, and then just knit the next stitch. Okay, so yarn between the 2 needles and knit the next stitch. And then the next row is when the magic happens. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, I've completed that row. Now I'm going to knit the first stitch, and there's the yarn over. I'm just going to slip that right off the needle. Knit the next stitch, slip off the needle. Knit, slip off the needle. I'm going to do that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and there are the dropped stitches. So now I would knit 2 rows in between and then do another row of the dropped stitch. And that's how I made this project. And you could use this for a table runner or a shawl or scarf, on a chair, on a sofa. It's very soft and fluidy because of the dropped stitches. I did a row of drop stitch, and in this case I did 4 rows of knit in between each one. And so there you go. There's an easy drop stitch scarf or shawl that you could make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.